Hi, I'm Edwin and I've been baking underground for the past 6 years. I realized I've been making so many Western pastries, but every time I make Chinese pastries, it's not convincing. After so many years, actually someone shared with me a very good recipe and I realized I want to share it to you. Very simple. We're just going to have salted butter, custard sugar, vanilla essence, cake flour, and the secret ingredient, the milk powder. So when you use the milk powder, it's going to be very nice mouthfeel with a little bit of floury texture to your mouth. And we need the egg yolk. So let's start this with having the what in this here. Is it casual enough? Yep. So actually it's very simple. When you make pineapple tarts, when you make Chinese pastry, it's always in your heart. You just bake with love. You just need your butter. Just put your salted butter in, your custard sugar in, your vanilla essence in, your cake flour in, and the secret ingredient, the milk powder, don't forget this. Put it in, and we just beat the mixer. Simple, right? Make sure it's low speed, if not you will start shooting to your face and you don't want that. And you get everything to come together, mix it in, go on a higher speed, you put in your egg yolk, and from the moisture, you actually make a very soft dough. So you don't want to overbeat this, you just make sure it comes together, and look at it. It's really soft, but do not overwork it. Make sure it's soft, and make sure you have a parchment paper. This is really useful, so you don't dirty your table, and in case your table is dirty. So just pipe it out. Looks as simple as this, but actually it's not as simple as this. Get your pineapple jam, just crumble it in your hands, and roll it up. Here you go, one pineapple tart. So just continue doing this. This is actually made with love and fun for the Chinese New Year occasion. And then you what lah. If your oven fan is actually coming out this side, make sure your pineapple tart is actually facing this side. So if your fan is coming from here, make sure you put it here so you don't dry the pineapple jam. The reason why you need the secret ingredient of the milk powder is to get the butter flavor enhanced, elevated. Last time a lot of people like to use plantain. Now we actually use butter. So make sure you get a very good quality butter. So make sure when you actually lie your pineapple tarts, you line it nicely, equally, evenly, so when you bake into the oven, it gets even. So make sure you egg wash your products. Don't forget it, if not it doesn't turn yellow-brown. Brown-yellow, yellow-brown. So put inside the oven for 180 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. Actually until golden brown lah. So if you see it golden brown, you just take it out from the oven. Nice buttery pineapple tarts. So now that it's golden brown, you're going to keep it into your tub like this. But make sure you keep it for 1 week because the flavor will actually develop from the butter to make it even more enhanced and developed. And hopefully, your pineapple tart still in one whole tub because most of the time finish already. So it's as simple as that to make a pineapple tart. Make sure you bake with your heart. If you are not the one going to be baking it, just share it with your ama, aku, ayah, and hopefully your family members get to bond during the Chinese New Year and you what lah.